Hey everyone, today we're making really quick and yummy skillet rice. We're making Mexican skillet rice. It's really easy to make and very few ingredients, and everyone will love it. To make Mexican skillet rice, you will need 2 cups of pre-cooked rice. You can use long grain or short grain. I'm using short grain here. I cooked it and I just spread it out to cool off a little bit. We also need 5 to 8 Mexican style sausages. Use any type of smoked sausages, just chop them up. To a heavy base skillet, we've added 2 tablespoons of olive oil along with a tablespoon of butter. To this, add the chopped up sausages and just stir fry them till they develop a little bit of color. Once the sausages have a little bit of color and are somewhat cooked, we can add in 1 onion that's been chopped. You can use white or yellow onion, as well as 5 cloves of garlic that has been finely chopped. Saute this well till the onions are soft and the raw pungency of the garlic is gone. And next to this, we'll be adding some tomato paste. So it's 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and it's sun-dried tomato paste, which gives a little bit more flavor. And we're also going to add a can of black beans. Now these black beans have been taken from the can and rinsed and drained before adding them to the skillet. Just stir this together briefly. And now we can add some spices. 2 teaspoons of mild chili powder or paprika. Just over a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. Add a little bit more butter if you find things going a bit too dry. And now we have our peppers. So here I have around half of a green bell pepper that's been sliced, as well as some multicolored mini peppers for extra flavor. I have yellow, orange, and red. Stir these in to the mixture until they've slightly softened, and now we can add the cooked rice. Once the rice is added, toss the rice really well to mix in all the ingredients. Make sure you get rid of any lumps. I had a few more bell pepper there. I just added that, as well as a little bit of oil and salt to taste. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons. Stir this until all the lumps are gone and the rice is evenly colored. Once everything's mixed well, add tomato sauce to taste. I'm adding 2 tablespoons. You can't really taste the tomato sauce once it's mixed properly, but it does add a little bit of acidity to the dish. And we're also going to add around a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Stir this through once more. Nice hot and yummy rice is ready. Now this is good as it is, but we're also going to add a little bit of cheese right over the hot rice. Around half a cup of grated soft cheese, like mozzarella. As well as just a tiny drizzle, around a 1/4 teaspoon of hot sauce all over the top. And just wait till the cheese melts, and your hot Mexican skillet rice is ready. The smoked sausages, peppers, onions, and the black beans give great flavor to this super quick and super yummy rice dish. I hope you try the recipe and let me know what you think. What would you like to add to this Mexican skillet rice? Please let me know in the comment section below. Connect with me on social media. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.